Chapter number 5, Operations on Rational Numbers. Part number 5.4, Expressions. What is expressions? An arrangement of numbers expressed using the signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called a mathematical expression. Simplify the expression and find its value. Let's see, two children carried out the operations in different orders. Hausa's method and Mangru's method. 75 divided by 6 plus 2 multiply by 2. 75 divided by 6, answer is 12 plus 2 multiply by 2. 12 plus 2 into 2 4, 12 plus 4 16. This is Hausa's method. Let's see Mangru's method. 72 divided by 6, 12 plus 2 into 2, 12 plus 2, 14 into 2, 28. We got two different answers. To prevent this, some rules have been made. What is these rules? To prevent this, some rules have been made which decide the order in which the operations are carried out. Rules for simplifying an expressions. If more than one operation is to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried out first, in the order in which they occur from left to right. After that, addition and subtraction are carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. If there are more than one operations in the bracket, follow the above two rules while carrying out the operations. On applying the above rules, we see that Hausa's method is right one. Hausa carried first division, then multiply, and last she is add 12 plus 4. Hausa's method is right. Let's evaluate the expressions below. Example is 40 into 10 divided by 5 plus 17. 40 into 10, 400 divided by 5 plus 17. 400 divided by 5, quotient is 80 plus 17. 80 plus 17, 97. Value of this expression is 97. Next example is 80 divided by, in the bracket, 15 plus 8 minus 3 bracket complete plus 5. 80 divided 50 plus 8, 20, in the bracket 23 minus 3 bracket complete plus 5. 80 divided 23 minus 3, 20 plus 5. 80 divided by 20, answer is 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is the value of this expression. Operations for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Types of brackets 3. Round bracket, square bracket and curly bracket. Use this bracket in expression. Solve expressions applying the rules. Next example is 2 into curly bracket 25 multiply square bracket and round bracket 113 minus 9 plus round bracket 4 divided by 2 into 13 round bracket and square bracket. Here 4 brackets. 2 into curly bracket 25 into square bracket and we solve round bracket. 113 minus 9 104 plus 4 divided by 2, answer is 2 into 13 complete bracket, square bracket complete and curly bracket complete. 2 into curly bracket 25 into 104 plus 126 curly bracket complete. 2 into curly bracket 25 into 104 plus 26 130. 130 into 25, 25 0 is 0, 25 3 is 75, 25 7 plus 7 32, 3250 into 2, answer is 6500. Value of this expression 6500. In this expression we solve all brackets step by step. Next example is rational numbers operations. 3 upon 5 minus 5 upon 7 into 1 upon 3. All rules are same as rational number. 3 upon 4 minus 5 ones are 5, 7 threes are 21. Here different denominators convert into equal denominator. Cross multiplication 5 into 4, 21 into 4. 21 threes are 63 upon 84 minus 20 upon 84. 20 subtract from 63, answer is 43. 43 upon 84. In this way we solve this expression and value of this expression 43 upon 84. Practice set 23. Question 1. Simplify the following expression. First example is 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Here is not given brackets, only operations. 50 into 5 250 divided by 2 plus 24. We applying rules, first division and next addition. 250 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. Quotient is 125 plus 24. Last operation is addition. 125 plus 24, 149. Value of this expression is 149. We apply all rules of expression. Next example is round bracket 13 into 4 divided by 2 minus 26. First we solve round bracket 13 into 4 52 divided by 2 minus 26. Applying expression rules, first division. 52 divided by 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 sixes are 12. Quotient is 26 minus 26. 26 minus 26, 0. 0 is value of this expression. Next explanation is, in this expression square bracket, round bracket and multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. 4 operations in this expression. 140 divided by square bracket. We first operation round bracket minus 11 into minus 3. Answer is 33 minus 42 divided by 14. 14 threes are 42 minus 3 minus 1 and complete square bracket. Here I solve two operations, multiplication and division. 140 33 minus plus 3 minus 1. 140, I write down sign of division. 33 plus 3 36 minus 1. 140 divided by 36 minus 1 35. 140 divided by 35. 35 fours are 140. 35 fours are 140. Value of this expression is 4. 4 is the value of this expression. In this expression, brackets, round brackets and square brackets and operation, division and multiplication. Number 4. Example number 4. Curly bracket, round bracket, square bracket and curly bracket. Round bracket. Here are 4 brackets and operations minus, subtraction, addition, multiplication, addition and multiplication. 5 operations in this expression. We solve all these expressions, all these operations in this expression. First, curly bracket. We solve round bracket 220 minus 140. 220 minus 140. 80 is the answer. Round bracket answer is 80 plus square bracket 10 minus 9, 10 multiplied by 9, 90 plus 5 into 2 minus 10 square bracket curly bracket minus 100. Here minus, multiply and multiply, 3 operations carry out. 80 plus square bracket 90 plus minus 10 square bracket and curly bracket complete minus 100. Curly bracket 80 plus 90 minus 10 80 curly bracket complete minus 100. 80 plus 80 160. 160 minus 100. 160 minus 100. 60. 60 is the value of these expressions. 5. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 5. Here division we convert into inverse multiplication. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 into 4 upon 6. 3 upon 5 plus 3 into 4 and 8 into 6. I divided by 4 and 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4. Here in this rational number denominator is different. So convert into equal denominator and addition. 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4. Cross multiplication, 3 into 4, 5 into 4 plus 1 into 5, 4 into 5. 12 plus 5 upon 20. 17 upon 20. Value of this expression is 17 upon 20. Activity: use the signs and numbers into boxes and form an expression such that in the value will be 112. We will create some expression that value is 112. See this expression. I use some numbers, some signs and some brackets. 9 into 8 plus 6 into 7 minus 2. First multiply 9 into 8 72 plus square bracket, solve, round bracket, 6 into 7 42 minus 2. Curly bracket, 72 plus 42 minus 2 40. 42 minus 2 40. 72 plus 40 112. Value is 112. This expression is correct for this value. I write next expression. See, value is 112. 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 minus 5 2 into square bracket 55 plus 2 square bracket complete. 9 plus 2 into 55 plus 2 57. Here addition and multiplication. First operation multiplication, 57 into 2 114. 114 plus 9 123. This expression is not correct for this value. Next expression, curly bracket, square bracket and round bracket use. 20 into 12 divided by 2 minus 8. 3 brackets. Find value 112. Search. Curly bracket, square bracket, solve, round bracket. 20 into 12 240 divided by 2 minus 8 complete curly bracket. 240 divided by 2 120. Answer minus 8. 120 minus 8 112. Value is 112, so that this expression is correct for this value. Something more, the order of the sign when simplifying an expression. BODMAS, board mass. BNA bracket. ONA off. DNA division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Remember, this rule is to solve the expressions. Today's homework is practice set 25. Thanks my students. Stay home, live safe.